Are you able to do anything hostile? Or are you just scouting?
At this stage, not yet.
Are you able to pretend you've captured one of us?
What, then walk through the...
Yeah.
What, and then just use open fire on them?
No, drop a grenade.
Or you drop the grenade?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. I was like, I could. Go on. How much though?
Give you a coin.
Oh, you'll give me a coin. So pretend I've
captured me.
Captured you and take you where?
Where do we want me to go?
Fob? Oh, just the fob.
Yeah, that fob over there.
Into the fob?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Right. Have you got a coin, Sparks?
Yeah, on me. But then, you captured him. Someone paid me to capture him.
Okay, in this building, mate.
Someone paid me to capture him.
Thank you. Cheers.